In 1953, Henry J. Witkowski launched Port Erie Plastics in Harbor Creek, PA. Now it is 575,000 square foot and 4 buildings on 69 acres.
On a daily basis, I have customer service people who take the orders from our customers and they bring them over to me, and then it's like a big puzzle where I take all the orders and try to match the orders for the machines that you did your tour with and try to match up all of the orders so that they all ship out on time. That's different every day. When I come into work every day, it is something changes and we fix problems. I think manufacturing is cool because we make stuff. A lot of people don't make stuff anymore, and we actually make stuff. I actually have the plastic pellets that you saw out there. Those can be melted, and you make those into anything that your little heart desires. So I think that is the coolest thing.
Port Erie Plastics makes various plastic parts that are then used in products that are sold at major retailers. They set themselves apart from the competition by making their own molds and then using them to make plastic parts.
On a daily basis, we actually fix the mistakes that come from the presses before we send them to the company, so it's kind of a cool job because we get to be like, fix the boo-boos. And then wrapping, I make sure I take all of the skids off of the presses and I wrap them so I can put them on the truck so they can go to the company. What would the world be without manufacturing? It's kind of like a necessity.
Plastic piping is a large portion of what is manufactured at the Port Erie Plastics plant.
Every day is different here at Port Erie for me. I'm responsible for the operations of the whole shop, so every day is a little bit different, which is exciting for me. It's one of the reasons why I enjoy manufacturing. First, I love the history of manufacturing. I like the work, and I also like the people. Whatever you might be making in the shop, you can go into a Home Depot and you can see something that you made. You can be proud of what you've accomplished.
And that's what's cool about manufacturing.